My name is Dan Mennill, and I'm a professor at the University of Windsor in Canada. I study the ecology, evolution, and behavior of birds, frogs, and mammals. My primary interests are in the vocal and visual signals that are produced by animals, especially birds. Together with my collaborators and my students, I conduct field studies of wild animals, and I combine my field studies with museum-based research to address evolutionary questions. During my recent sabbatical, I had the opportunity to conduct research at Strasbourg Zoological Museum with my research partner, Dr. Stephanie Doucette. Data that we have collected in our previous museum studies has given rise to a better understanding of animal evolution. For example, in a previous museum-based study of the ground sparrows of Central America, we provided evidence of a new species of ground sparrow called Salvin's ground sparrow. In a second museum study, we provided evidence that rufous-capped warblers are actually two different species, rufous-capped warblers and chestnut-capped warblers. In a third museum study, we analyzed plumage features of tropical manakins, and we showed that different types of feather colors allow animals to achieve different contrasts against their visual backgrounds. We spent our time in the museum measuring the extraordinary specimens in this outstanding collection. Our focus was on measuring diversity in plumage and morphology across the songbirds and the hummingbirds. The museum's collection has broad taxonomic diversity, which allowed us to measure beak morphology, body morphology, and plumage features across diverse species. We focused our time on measuring features of the hummingbirds and songbirds and collected data on many hundreds of species. Our analyses of the samples and the data that we collected in Strasbourg are ongoing as we combine our measurements of morphology and plumage with ongoing analyses of bird vocalizations. The data that we collected at Strasbourg Zoological Museum will play an important role in our ongoing research on the ecology and evolution of the birds of the world. And I really hope to return to the museum again in the future and to collect more data from this outstanding museum collection.